Strangers at the border, left to divide and hate, for race and for religion, for number and name, for red stamp and a seal, and an excuse to claim. All in our name. It's all in our name. What's in a piece of paper? What's in those lines? When one word or another will get you past sometimes. Land of my mother, clean air I breathe, green fields full of corn I had to leave. All in their name. It's all in our name. Not for me, not for my family. No room left, no space in a corner of this wide world to find our place. I hear the people talking, saying our time is near, but vengeance rides the law, breeding terror and fear. To kill in God's name. It's all in our name. Deep into their eyes, I see anger and blame, listening to their hearts, revenge and shame. They call it law and order,